Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track an Amazon product order. It's pretty quick and simple. So the thing is with Amazon, as convenient as it is, you can't really just go around and track the orders. You have to have an Amazon account to track it. Here is an Amazon order tracking ID of your order. Then go to any browser. So if I went into any browser and try to track that ID, it's not going to work. It's because Amazon isn't just associated with one kind of transfer system. It's not UPS or FedEx. It's a bunch of different kind of mailing systems in a different kind of people doing it. Some orders when you're ordering them on Amazon are from Amazon stores, and some are just people selling their stuff, so they are going to send it in a different form then an Amazon store would sell it. So basically what I'm saying is the only way to track your order is to log into your Amazon account and go ahead and track it that way. So once you are on your Amazon account, you have to go to your home page, and if you tap on this person icon here, you can see this option here, your orders. You have to tap on it, and here will be the list of all of your orders. All you have to do is click on your order, and then it will pop up with their version of tracking. So it will says order was placed on that date, going to be out for delivery on that date, and once it's arrived it will say arrived today. So there is no other way to track it. All it does show you, your tracking ID and the information, and then their version of track. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.